Perched high in the heart of Mexico City, the Ritz-Carlton Mexico City offers a luxurious retreat that combines modern elegance with rich cultural heritage. Located on the iconic Paseo de la Reforma, this stunning hotel grants guests panoramic views of Chapultepec Park, the historic heart of the city, and the vibrant skyline. The Ritz-Carlton Mexico City is renowned for its attention to detail and exceptional service, offering world-class amenities such as a pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and an indulgent spa with bespoke treatments. The hotel is also a culinary destination with two highly acclaimed restaurants, Cipriani and Ling Ling, located within the same building. Cipriani offers timeless Italian fine dining, while Ling Ling features a modern take on Asian cuisine, allowing guests to savor a variety of exquisite flavors without leaving the premises. The Deluxe Terrace guest room, 4714, offers a private sanctuary for those seeking the finest accommodations. Located on the 47th floor, this room boasts a spacious outdoor terrace with sweeping views of Chapultepec Park and the city skyline. Inside, floor-to-ceiling windows flood the room with natural light, while elegant hardwood floors and a luxurious marble bathroom with a soaking tub and rain shower add to the sense of comfort and style. A king-sized bed with premium linens and state-of-the-art technology ensures both relaxation and modern convenience. Whether visiting for business or leisure, the Ritz-Carlton Mexico City promises an unforgettable experience, blending the city's dynamic energy with the tranquility and luxury of a world-class hotel.